Zhejiang Tiansun Decoration Material Company Limited is a comprehensive manufacturer of window shade material and trader of window blind accessories. Tiansun is located in Hangzhou, a well-known textile city as well as a world-famous place of interest. It covers a total area of 25,000 square meters. With over 100 staff, we take pride in our initiative attitude to offer customized service for our consumers and solve any problem after sale. That is why we get many well reputation. As one of Specialized Ventures which devoted to window fabric 7 years, customer can get not only professional products, but also premium service. We research various fabric in different styles, application, and material. Our company is skilled inherent inspiration to create blind fabric for different markets. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment to upgrade our products, mainly products, fabric for window shade, ready-made roller blind, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Asia, Africa, North America. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. With our effort of Tiansun people, we believe we can improve us never-ending to be more and more professional. Hope we can build long-time business cooperation.